Well guys, here you have another short video from Haulover Inlet. This time was a nice Schafer Yacht. Also, I want to let you know that I have a big problem with doing reels. Reels are cool, but actually you cannot see anything from the yachts when you do it in that format. So I will start doing these 1 minute videos or short videos also to post here on Facebook, and let me know if you like them. If you like them, then I will continue. So please leave a comment below and let me know if this is something that you want to see more. Thanks for watching, and remember that I'm your guide for yachts in Miami. So thanks again, and I'll see you in my next video.